Right, Sean, so the first paper one that I marked for you, you scored 38, so I'm looking to see an improvement on that this time. That's right, that's not right. Okay, it's 174. Just don't know why you haven't shown me a method there. That's good, and that's good. So 2, 3, 2, 32 and 66, 5, 10, 7, 8, 2. Good. Okay, so 3, 6, 8, 10, 15, 17. Okay, so you haven't labelled your axes. Okay, you need to tell me that that is the frequency and this is number of children. So you're going to lose a mark because of that, but the rest of your graph is absolutely fine. 5.5 is correct. Perpendicular to DC means at right angles to it, which is AE. BC is correct. And you need to practice how to measure angles. Watch how I do it on the video clip and make sure you can do it yourself. 3, 5 for the page. Good, full marks on that page. 18, 25, 33, 6, 8. So that's good. Okay, it's not 8a cubed. It would only be cubed if you were multiplying those a's together. But all you're doing is adding them. So you've got 5a and 1a is 6a. Add 3a is 9a. W is 23. 9 for the page. $35, $30, $28, that should be. Not 21, so that's why you've gone wrong there. 18 is correct. This is wrong. All you need to do here is multiply the two unit numbers, the 7 and the 8. 7, 8 to 56 ends in a 6, so the whole sum has to end in a 6. So we're looking for that number there. Cube number, have a look how I explain that on the video clip. 67 and 61 are correct, but that's wrong because 9 and 7 go into 63. So you're going to lose 1 mark there. That's not right. What you have to do is to work out what 2 cubed is, which is 8, and what 5 squared is, which is 25, and then multiply those together. And you need to develop a non-calculator method for doing a subtraction like that. Watch how I do that on the video clip and practice. 2, 4, 5 for the page. That's good, that's good, that's excellent. With a question like this, just think, if you don't like y, put a number there. What would the cost of 10 rulers be? Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. So what would you be doing to find the cost of 10 rulers? You'd be doing 10 times 25. So the sum is a times. So what you're looking for there is 25 times y. Watch how I do that. That's something that you should be able to cope with. You would have done work, no doubt, before Christmas on Games of Chance. But watch how I do it on the video clip, and go onto the Jonathan Sun Foundation tier site, and there's loads of questions there on Games of Chance. 4 for the page. 62 is right, and 75. Can't see a method, but I'll trust you that that's your work. That's fine, and your line of best fit is good as well. So there's 5 marks there. 11 for the page. There is no pattern and order is correct. This is quite a tricky question, but if you have a look how I do it on the video clip and see if it helps you make sense of it. That was right. That one's correct, but there's also one there that needs to be there. That one's right, and that one is only got that one there. So you've got 2 correct, so you get the 2 marks. They won't reach each other is a good explanation. That is right. So is that. 8D take 12, that's right with you, but then you have not worked out the D's correctly. You've got 8D take away 21D is not 24D, it's going to be negative 13. 4E equals 6 is correct, but we want to know what E is, so you have to do that last line. Total for the page 3, 6, 8, 10. That's good for the last page. Right, Sean, well, I'm very confident that you have smashed your previous mark. Let's see by how much. 17, 22, 30, 39, 44, 48, 59, 60, 70. Superb. That's really, really encouraging. That's a grade C, and if you can keep working at that sort of level, then you will be laughing in the summer. Well done.